Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the kitchen, the Vodolo Uncrustables Sandwich Maker. If you're tired of the same old sandwiches and looking to add a fun twist to your kids' lunches or your own snacks, this might just be the solution you've been searching for.
Let's start with what this gadget is all about. The Vodolo Uncrustables Sandwich Maker is designed to help you create perfectly sealed, crustless sandwiches effortlessly.
Whether you prefer circles or squares, this tool cuts and seals your sandwiches in one go, ensuring your fillings stay inside and your bread stays perfectly intact. It's made from food-grade materials, so it's safe for the whole family. Now, let's talk about what sets this apart. Unlike traditional methods where you might struggle with fillings spilling out or bread tearing,
this sandwich maker uses a state-of-the-art gear sealing mechanism. It evenly distributes pressure, so you get a tightly sealed sandwich every time, without the mess.
Plus, it's super easy to use. Even kids can get involved in making their own lunches. Cleaning up is a breeze too.
The cutting rings are removable, making them easy to wash, and the whole unit is designed to be stackable for convenient storage in your kitchen.
So,
why should you consider adding this to your kitchen arsenal?
Well, if you're a parent looking to make lunch prep easier and more fun for your kids,
this gadget lets you create healthier, fresher sandwiches right at home.
No more pricey store-bought options that may not even be as fresh. Plus, it's a great way to involve your kids in the kitchen and teach them about food preparation.
For those of you who pack your own lunches, imagine being able to seal your sandwiches so perfectly that you never have to worry about them falling apart in your bag again. It's a game changer for anyone who values convenience and quality in their meals.
Let me show you how it works. You start with your favorite bread and fillings. Place the bread in the cutter, add your fillings, and then simply press down. The gear mechanism ensures a perfect seal every time.
It takes just seconds, and the result is a neatly sealed sandwich ready to go. In conclusion, the Vodolo Uncrustables Sandwich Maker is more than just a gadget.
It's a time saver, a money saver, and a meal prep game changer. Whether you're making lunches for picky eaters, creating snacks for yourself, or simply looking to add some fun to your kitchen routine, this tool delivers. If you're interested in checking it out, I've left a link in the description below. And hey, if you've tried something similar or have questions about this product, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe for more reviews and tips on making the most out of your kitchen gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking!